Hey guys, welcome back to Opimation, and this is going to be a quick video on portfolios. Had a few questions from students as well on portfolios when they're graduating, whether they should have one or not. Definitely get your work out there, even if you're a student. Show the process. You know, a lot of potential employees will be looking at work and also the progress of your work. So documenting your work is really important, I think, because even to the extent where you want to create a YouTube channel, because it will show your personality to the employee. You know, now with social media, there's so much stuff you can do with networking. So if you do create videos of yourself, even if you're introvert, you know, if you get that first video out, you know, a few videos into your YouTube channel, it's quite natural at the start to think, oh, what will people say? I'm on video, I'm out there, but really it doesn't matter. You know, when you first start on YouTube, your channel is way low in the ranks. People aren't going to even notice it. The only way they're going to notice it is if you send direct links or if they search for you. And employers will do that. If you got a link to your YouTube channel through LinkedIn, they'll check it that way. And in a way, it's nice because they're getting to see your personality, getting to see who you are as a person, the work you're doing, the progress you're making. So I would say show your work, put it out there. Do you need a website? Not necessarily. You can just use Vimeo to put your show reel up there. But a website, for example, I have a website called opimation.net. And on there, as well as my animation work, I have my hobbies on there, miniature painting, talks that I've given at universities, what have you. So when you're putting these things out there, more opportunities will come to you. When I put my pictures up of talks that I did at universities, guess what? I got other universities to message me saying, can you give a talk here? Can you give a talk here? So, and workshops, animation workshop, what have you. So the more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come and find you. And always documenting your work, progressing your work, showing what you've learned, even putting out some of the stuff you're struggling with. You know, some things I struggle with, I will tweet. I'll say, like, anyone got any idea what to do with this? Any tools for doing such and such? Or recently I tweeted, is there anyone there who's got models for like a Sikh character model that someone can model and rig? And I've got so many contacts coming back at me saying, I can help you with this, I can help you with that. So when you put yourself out there, ask for help, get feedback, progress on your work, document it, it all helps. So I would say it's really important just to get yourself out there in this competitive industry and really expose yourself as much as you can. And be open to all that constructive criticism to improve your work. So definitely, yeah. You don't really, so overall, our website is also good to have one in your name. So mine is opichaga.com. And over there, I put my animation, I've put my painting, I've put my fitness journey as well, documented that. So the employer knows what other stuff you're interested in, what you're into. So it could work to your advantage. So blogging every day if you like as well, you know, problems that you have come across, things that you're working on, just again, documenting all your work. So these kinds of things will all help in the long run. So overall, I would say, yeah, if you can, get a website, get a domain name. When you're even in if you're doing undergraduate courses, build it there. And then you can even document your work. There's a great link I'll put in the description of a guy who was a doctor at Cambridge, Ali Abdaal. Some of you may know his channel. He did the same thing. He started documenting his university life when he was at uni in Cambridge, vlogging and everything. And then now what he's done is his YouTube has got so good, like he was teaching students how to revise, how to do memory recall, revise for exams, take notes, like so many things that were beneficial for students. Even I saw some of this stuff on Skillshare, and I was also learning new things, and it was brilliant. But now his YouTube channel has grown so much to what, 2.3 million subscribers now, that he's completely left being a doctor. He's getting, you know, all his freedom in just making YouTube videos and documenting what he's doing. And I think that's great. I think it's brilliant. So you don't know where this YouTube stuff will take you. So ultimately what you're trying to do, I guess, is you're trying to get your time back rather than your money. So if you can get your time back, then you can start working on your own animation projects and do your own stuff, which you will enjoy more. So there's a lot of benefits to document your work and starting your channel. And I think just getting your stuff out there is the most important thing. So in my opinion, If you can get a website out, get a YouTube channel out, get all your stuff on social medias, Insta, Twitter, and just expose your work and expose yourself to the industry, and the industry will expose itself to you. Okay guys, so I hope this video had some pointers in there that you might find helpful. If you do, please subscribe, like, share, the usual stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.